lot of rental companies can't even do a good job of tracking their own utilization or knowing, what's my average length of rental? How long does it take me to turn a piece of equipment once it gets back in my yard? And we said, well, wouldn't it be great if everybody had better visibility? We'll bring all this data together, clean it and standardize it, and then funnel it back to these companies so they have more information to make better decisions. And so what we're trying to do today, and where the industry is going, I think, is making everything more proactive and real time. So you can see, what we're doing with our app is giving you the ability to see right now, how many machines do I have available as a sales rep? So if a customer calls me, I actually know where they are and what status they're in, and how utilized am I, how utilized is the industry. So